Hi, I'm Janet Beth, and I work in the Writing Center here at Nightingale. In today's video, I'm going to talk about thesis statements and 4 things that they should do. We're going to look at some example thesis statements and talk about how they do these things so that you can write your own. All right. The first thing thesis statements should do is that they should answer the question. What that means is that you should look at the assignment question and think, okay, if I only have one sentence to answer this question, to do this assignment, what's my one sentence answer? And that is usually what the thesis statement is. If that essay assignment is not written as a question, it might help to rephrase it. So in this case, write an essay detailing the different benefits of online education. Imagine that's our assignment. If we change that to a question, what are the different benefits? Then we're going to answer that question. Okay, so I've got my sample thesis statement here, and I can see it is asking about online education, and I'm talking about it, and I'm going to say it enhances, it allows, it improves. These are my 3 benefits we're talking about. I'm clearly answering the question. This also is included in the show your stance part, which means make your opinion clear in this sentence. This sentence should be a debatable sentence, a sentence that people might disagree with and that you are going to prove your opinion. So we are using those again with these verbs in this example about these enhances, allows, and improves. We're showing positive tones without even having to say the benefits. This is something that people might disagree with, but we can prove by showing evidence. Another part that we need to make sure is that we are being specific. Now, this one, there might be different ways to be specific, but the idea and the suggestion I am going to give you is to be specific as to what you are going to talk about in your essay. We can see 3 different ideas here. We're going to talk about accessibility. We're going to talk about tailoring their learning experiences. And we're going to talk about academic. By reading this sentence, I know that the writer is going to explain these 3 things in separate paragraphs or separate sections. And the last thing thesis statements should do is use powerful words. These words could be the verbs that we've included, enhanced, allowing, improving. Oh, such positive words going with this positive benefit term. They could also be modal verbs like will, must, or should. And we can use adjectives and adverbs to build this feeling. So we have individual needs, overall academic flexibility, accessibility. These are words that are adding to this tone of benefits in this example. I hope looking at this one example thesis statement gives you an idea about how you can build your own that answers the question, shows your stance, is specific, and uses powerful words.